In this module, we're going to be talking about why be involved in the stock market. Now, there's two reasons to be involved in the stock market. Reason number one is going to be to trade / invest your money to generate income. Number two is going to be invest or trade other people's money to generate income. Now, in both situations, your main objective is to generate capital, to make money for yourself, right? So you can go about this in two ways, by trading your capital or trading somebody else's capital. Now, a lot of people trade their own capital, and they do that to either supplement their main income with a side income, or they just trade full time and that's their only income. Their main income is from trading. Now, I believe that everybody should be invested in stocks at one point or another. Like everybody at one point has to be invested in stocks. You know, when you're going to be saving up your retirement funds, your money is going to be in stocks in one way or another. Now, throughout my years and throughout my careers, I've worked at brokerage houses. I've seen a lot of accounts, people with, $500,000 accounts that's for retirement, going from $500,000 to zero because they selected really bad stocks, all high risk, all same industry, gold miners or penny stocks. But I've seen other people going from $500,000 to over $1 million. So you can very easily, and when you're saving up your money for retirement, that's done across decades, 20, 30 years. When you're looking at such a big period, it's very easy to double your cash. It's very easy by selecting good stocks. Now, it's also very easy to lose most of your cash if you select really bad securities. So for me, everybody's supposed to learn about trading and about investing, because if you're willing to work 20, 30 years of your life to have X amount of capital that you can retire with, well, why not spend 6 months or a year learning how to invest and double that amount of capital? Why not double it by spending a few months to a year learning when it takes you 20 or 30 years to make it, right? And not risk losing it, right? So it makes no sense for somebody not to get educated about investing, because everybody has to invest at one point or another. Now, this is one way that you can go about it, investing your own capital. Now, the other way is finding other people that you can invest their capital or trade their capital. Now, to do that, first you got to be good, okay? So, example, there's a lot of companies that fund traders. Now, to get into a company like that, you got to prove that you're good. So, when I hire a trader, I want to see their track record. I want to see if they are performing well, if they are making cash. So, start off trading your account. And if you're performing good, if you have, a year of track record to show, or even, 8 months of, consistent profitability, you can see a company, show them your track record, and they can fund you. They'll give you a funded account. Then you can trade with way bigger amounts of money and keep a percentage of those returns. So that's a very good situation to be in, because you have no risk in terms of capital, and you have very, very high rewards if you're performing good. So these are the two ways that you can make money in trading. You got to start off by trading your account, proving that you're good, and then you can move on to even trading other people's accounts. And regardless of what you want to do and what's your end goal, you have to learn to trade and invest, because it is something that is super important. It will make a difference for you. And you are going to have to do it at one day or another.